Hi and welcome to this technical briefing. Today we're very proud to announce a new series of how-to videos that are geared to tackle the identity and access management challenges inside the Amazon AWS cloud. Many of you have seen this checklist. When you go to the identity and access management page, that's the first 4 steps that are required to meet a basic security posture within AWS. We actually enhanced this because the requirements for organizations and major enterprises go beyond just securing AWS. You want to be able to do this with a common directory, and when you're doing that, you can piggyback on that for enforcing policy, and also to have a process to assign role-based access controls. In addition, aside from securing the root account and making sure that that Amazon root account is not available for anybody, we're going to talk about MFA, but we're going to add controls much more sophisticated than just MFA. How about policy that only allows users from the internal network to be able to access the Amazon cloud? In addition, we're going to use the Centrify leadership around AD bridging and super user privilege management to join those systems to Active Directory, but at the same time expose the tools that allow for automation. We've also added 2 categories because you want to centralize session access to make sure that every system, every access to AWS is centralized and controlled by you. Also, there's the human problem of password management. We're going to enable shared account password management because regardless of where you are, on premise or in the cloud, people are human. They make mistakes. They share those root and administrator accounts. You want to be able to have an ability to request, check out, check in, and rotate those passwords. So we're going to use the majority of the Centrify identity platform, but we're also going to use Active Directory as our common directory. We want to leverage Amazon Web Services and many of the amazing APIs and facilities that they have developed. Remember, Centrify Server Suite is going to provide your servers in the case of Unix and Linux, AD integration, super user privilege management, and end-to-end auditing. Privilege Service is going to centralize the session origination via SSH or RDP. It's going to allow you to conquer the problem of shared passwords, and it's going to eliminate the need of accessing directly via public IPs or using VPNs. Then Centrify Identity Service is going to help you secure the Amazon root account. It's going to enable services like federation, multi-factor authentication, and it's going to provide AD bridging, but done the right way with SSO to delight users. I'm looking forward to help all our customers and prospects out so they can develop a framework and they can build on that to make sure that they can help their organizations. The next video is going to show you the end product. We're going to show you how we secure the root account, how we provide multi-factor, how we provide role-based access controls with provisioning using Active Directory, how we can enforce policy based on Active Directory policy, and how we can provide automation for those elastic environments.